Times of emergency. Calamities or disasters are sudden changes in the environment which cause huge damage to life and property. They cause long-lasting distress and sufferings to the people and animals in an area where they occur. Human beings have no control over them. Let us learn about some natural disasters. Floods. Floods occur due to overflowing of rivers and canals due to heavy rain, breaking of dam, etc. Effects of flood. It damages buildings, roads, etc. It damages crops and stored grains, resulting in shortage of food. It causes unhygienic conditions, resulting in epidemic. Disruption of life due to damage to telephone lines, electric poles, etc. Soil erosion. Death of humans, animals and plants due to waterlogging. Precautions. In case of flood, warning is given beforehand. Inform others around you. Move to high areas like roof of a house. Drink boiled water. Keep sufficient food, medicines, water, torches, candles and matchboxes with you. Cyclones. Cyclones are violent storms with very strong winds which move in a circle. These develop above seas or oceans and are common in coastal areas and islands. Their speed can be more than 18 km per hour. Effects of cyclones. Cyclones destroy everything that comes in their way when they move towards the land, that is, buildings, bridges, vehicles, living organisms, etc. They bring torrential rains, floods and landslides. These floods can result in epidemics of waterborne diseases like cholera, typhoid, jaundice, etc. Affects communication and electricity supply by damaging transport systems, uprooting electric poles and trees. Precautions. Make a list of emergency phone numbers and keep it at a place where it is visible to all family members. Forecasting can reduce its effects, so listen to weather reports. Cyclone shelters can be made to reduce the loss of human life. If cyclone hits while you are driving, park your vehicle in an open area and stay inside it. No more. Heavy storms like cyclones are called hurricanes in the Atlantic Ocean, typhoon in the Pacific Ocean, and Willy Willy in Australia. In India, coastal areas of Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu are cyclone-prone areas. Earthquakes. An earthquake is a sudden, violent movement of the Earth's surface. The movement of the Earth may vary in strength or magnitude. Earthquakes occur due to sudden movements below the Earth's surface without any warning. These are the most serious natural disasters. No more. The most violent earthquake occurred in China in 1556. Effects of an earthquake. Violent earthquakes destroy buildings and bury people under the debris. Damage to the walls of dam can result in floods. Trees and electric poles get uprooted. Breaking of sewage pipes can result in spread of epidemics. many people become homeless and many die. Precautions. In case of an earthquake, try to move out in an open area. If it is not possible to move out, take shelter under the table and cover your head with hands or pillow. Use a staircase instead of a lift. If you are in a vehicle, park the vehicle on the side of the road away from power lines. Keep yourself away from trees, electric poles, tall buildings, etc. Tsunamis. The term tsunami comes from Japanese word which means harbor wave. When a serious earthquake occurs under the seabed, it produces giant waves in the sea, known as tsunamis. These waves can be as high as 50 feet or more. Effects of tsunami. The waves crush everything that comes in the way, reducing houses and buildings to rubble. Loss of human lives and livestock. Disrupts communication and electric supply. Precautions. Move away from coastal areas to higher places. If a warning is issued, people sailing in the sea must return back. No more. On 26th December 2004, a massive tsunami hit the coast of India, Thailand, and some other countries in the Indian Ocean. It killed nearly 30,000 people and caused large-scale destructions of the property. Drought. Droughts are caused when there is no rain for a long time. Droughts usually occur in areas which are far away from sea like Rajasthan, Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. Effects of drought. Scarcity of water which affects plants, animals and human beings. Soil dries out and groundwater sinks. A drought is often accompanied by high temperatures which increase loss of water by evaporation. Repeated droughts bring famine, resulting in death of living beings. Helping in times of disasters. We cannot control or stop natural disasters, but can try to reduce the damage caused by them. Be prepared with phone numbers, first aid kit, torch, clothes, non-perishable food items, etc. Beware of the kind of disaster your area is prone to and remain in touch with weather forecast. Stay calm, help as much as you can, encourage the people and face the situation bravely. Role of agencies and organizations. Government agencies, voluntary organizations and international organizations do a lot to bring relief to the people affected by natural calamities. Various organizations organize relief camps in tents, schools and buildings. They collect donations and help the affected people living in these camps. The Red Cross Society provides medical help. Many doctors and nurses look after the sick people. They work hard to maintain hygienic condition in the affected areas and organize relief camps to prevent chances of outbreak of an epidemic. Doctors inoculate people to protect them from diseases. The police helps them to maintain law and order, especially during a natural disaster. The rescue teams protect the life and property of the victims and help them to reach relief camps. The Navy and the Air Force help by dropping food, medicines, and other necessary items in the affected areas. The armed forces also come to the rescue of the people in times of natural calamities. Newspapers, radio, television provide information and convey the messages of the affected people